Okay, if you want to open my present first, you can.
Nicholas, how old are you going to be?
4.
Say hi, Jacob.
Bam. Hey, Nate, which present do you want to open? That one. Okay, that's
All right,
mine.
you can start opening.
Hey, that's mine. You can open
All right.
it.
You open that one. Don't open this one, they said.
I brought the wrong gift.
Oh, Aunt Jessie said this is the wrong gift. We gotta take it back.
Okay. You can
Okay.
open it.
This is from Jacob, Jesse, and Jared. And the girls. Open it up.
Yeah, open it.
Go crazy. Throw it everywhere. Everywhere.
No.
What is that?
It's my thing I have.
What is that?
What is it?
Joker cake.
A Joker cake. Oh, man.
Mommy and Gaga.
What's that gonna go with?
Your back cave. That's that.
What do you say,
That's
Nicholas?
what I have. Thank you, Jake. There's a monster.
Oh, there's more stuff?
Right.
What's that?
Flash.
Wow.
Hey, you.
Put my back in the go was too.
Yeah. Wow.
That's very cool, Jake.
Boy, he got lots of stuff.
Thank you, Jacob.
And Jesse and Jared and the little girls. Maybe you should give the girls a hug for that present. Maybe you should go kick Jared.
That was 2 for 1 money.
I don't want
Alright, what's next?
You should have seen the little girls' faces on this
What do you
side.
want to open next?
this one.
Oh, this one.
That.
You want us to
That
open the one from Pep Chuck?
Jacob. Banner on it. That's Pat
You want
Chuck.
us to open the one from Pep Chuck and Grandma? Rip into it.
That's Pat Chuck. I played with it.
Jake.
That's the one. That's the one who opened it.
Yeah, he told us in the car.
You
He's
said
like,
we had to test it out. So you say I had to test it.
he told us in the car. He goes, "Man, it sure works good." Oh, you know what that is? It's a game.
I do.
I think Mommy and Daddy will play that more than you. You love air hockey. Boy.
According to Jake, it works good.
Oh, I bet you and Jacob can play it in a little bit.
Yeah, first you gotta learn how to play it. Other than
First, you go learn.
Oh, what do you say?
Whoa.
Okay, we'll open it up here in a little bit.
Why don't you go give hugs and say thank you, Mama and Papa?
You're welcome.
Yeah.